Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we break down complex topics into bite-sized pieces. Today, we're diving into the world of scalability and prompt engineering. And don't worry, we're going to keep it as easy as ordering your favorite pizza online. So, if you're ready to explore how AI systems handle large datasets and workloads, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Welcome, everyone, to our journey into the heart of prompt engineering. Imagine you're chatting with your favorite AI assistant, and suddenly it starts slowing down. That's where scalability comes into play. It's like giving our AI pals a turbo boost to handle all the tasks we throw at them. Now, why is scalability so crucial? Let's put it this way. Imagine you have a toy box, and as you get more toys, you need a bigger box. Scalability is like having an expandable toy box for our AI systems. Without it, they might get overwhelmed, just like trying to fit too many toys into a small box. Handling large datasets is like managing a massive library. If the books aren't organized, finding the right one can be a nightmare. Scalability helps our AI systems organize and retrieve information efficiently. Think of it as having a super smart librarian who knows exactly where every book is located. Now, let's talk about processing all that data. It's like cooking a big meal. If you try to chop all the vegetables at once, it can get messy. Scalable data processing is like having multiple chefs working together, each handling a different task. This way, everything gets done faster and more efficiently. Load balancing might sound like juggling, but it's more like distributing the workload evenly. Picture a team of superheroes. Each hero tackles a specific task, ensuring the team's success. Scalable systems do the same, ensuring every part of the process gets just the right amount of attention. Real-time applications are like playing your favorite video game. You make a move, and the game responds instantly. Scalability in real time is like having a super fast internet connection that keeps the game running smoothly. Without it, you might experience delays, just like when your internet lags during an online match. Think of infrastructure design like building with Lego blocks. Each block represents a different part of our AI system. Scalable design is like having Lego blocks that can snap together in different ways. It allows us to build and rebuild our AI systems easily, adapting to new challenges. Imagine driving a car and suddenly hitting traffic. Performance monitoring is like having GPS that tells you where the congestion is. Scalable systems constantly check for bottlenecks and optimize their routes, ensuring a smooth journey, just like your GPS rerouting you around traffic. What does the future hold for scalability? It's like looking into a crystal ball, and the ball is showing us amazing things. With edge computing, AI is getting even closer to us, making responses lightning fast. It's like having a personal assistant right in your pocket, ready to help at any moment. And there you have it, everyone. Scalability in prompt engineering is like giving our AI pals the superpowers they need to handle anything we throw their way. If you enjoyed this tech adventure, hit that subscribe button and join us in exploring more fascinating topics. Remember, understanding scalability is the key to unlocking the full potential of